There are discrepancies in the numbers of those who've died from COVID-19, and experts reckon it'll be months before comparisons of global figures can be made. As the UK overtakes Italy in mortality rates, Britain's Foreign Secretary says it's too soon to make comparisons with other countries.
There are different ways of counting deaths. As we know, we've had that debate in this country. We now publish data that includes all deaths in all settings. Not all countries do that, so I'm not sure that the international comparison works unless you reliably know that all countries are measuring in the same way. And it also depends on how good, frankly, countries are in gathering their statistics.
Over in Spain, the state of emergency ends on Saturday and Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez addressed the Senate looking for support to extend it for another 2 weeks. The extension would provide the continuing legal framework to allow the control of the pandemic, but the opposition People's Party is reluctant to support this plan. In Germany, as museums and shops begin to open their doors in some states, the head of the country's National Disease Control Center warns there'll be a second wave of coronavirus infections.
Das ist eine Pandemie und bei einer Pandemie
This is a pandemic, and in a pandemic, the virus will cause disease until 60 or 70% of the population is infected. This is why we know that there will be almost certainly a second wave. The majority of scientists are certain about this, and many also believe that there possibly will be a third wave.
Man geht auch davon aus, viele, dass es eine dritte Welle gibt. Das heißt also,
the number of deaths in the world is now more than 255,000, according to Johns Hopkins University's figures, with more than 3,600,000 people confirmed with the virus. There's no doubt these figures will keep rising as reporting on official numbers catches up. And at least if there is a second wave of infections, whilst nations are exhausted, they'll be more prepared. Louise Miner, Euronews.